If you are using Copilot chat, I'm sure you have faced this problem. I asked something to Copilot, it gave me perfect results, and now I want to keep that data, I want to edit it, I want to share it with someone, but where is it? It's in chat. That chat will be saved as a chat list. But after 1 month I want to find it, there is no search button. And even if I find it, how do I share it with someone else? How do I edit it? Whatever chat output is, I can't edit. So all those problems are now solved. How they are solved? Look at this button, Edit in Pages. When you click on that button, it opens a separate page or a pane on right side and dumps whatever output came from chat into that page. This is an editable page. In fact, for those who know, it's a loop page. So I can edit the output, and on the left side, I can continue chatting with Copilot. So in this case, I'm creating training content about dictation feature in Word and PowerPoint and Outlook. So it has given me some pointers, and again I say edit in page. So this will be added or appended to this page. But before we do anything with those pages, the first thing to do is change the title. The title is a little confusing because it is derived from the prompt. So change the title and then edit the page as required. Now, does it mean this page has to have data coming from the chat? No, absolutely not. But this is loop component, so / in a blank area will give you a list of lots of loop components like tables, task lists, checklists, mermaid, which is flowcharts, and many, many more. If you're not familiar with these components, have a look at this video. Another common problem we face is if chat gives you a table output, we can't really edit it inside the Copilot chat output. But now, because it's a part of pages, it's a table. I can not only edit it, I can add columns and work on it exactly the way I want. One of the things we can do in Copilot is generate images. So if the output has an image generated, then you will not see the Edit in Pages button. Why? Because typically there are 4 images. Usually you want only one of them. In this case, you'll have to choose the image and then copy paste. Now let's start a new chat. Now that page disappears. And where is my original chat gone? It's visible in the chat list. Now this is a new chat. It doesn't have a page associated with as yet. If I open the previous chat, you will see this icon. This means it has a page associated with it. You click on it, the page opens, all the data is there. You can continue the conversation and keep adding. Now let's focus on what we can do in this page. It's a loop page, so you can share it. It's up to you. How do you want other people to edit it? In loop itself, or in email, or in chat, or channels. Doesn't matter. If you just want to send a link to this page, click on it. Click on the sprocket. Usually you will specify people. And then copy the link, send it to the other party. Now let's see what happens when the other person opens it. So here, I have the same page open on another person, and like we edit Word or PowerPoint files together, I can edit this page also together. So effective collaboration. I didn't have to worry about which folder, what is the file name. It's just happening seamlessly. Now sometimes I want to send this by mail, but I still want people to edit it. Sure, use this button. It'll still give you a link. And then I'm going to paste this link in an email and send the mail. Now when someone opens the mail, they don't have to say reply. Remember, it's a loop component. So they just simply edit it there and then with full audit trail, track changes. If you're not familiar with loop, you should have a look at this video. Then you will get much better understanding of how good this feature is. If you click on the Go to Pages button, it opens the M365 home page, which shows recent files. But in my experience, This loop page doesn't appear instantly. It takes a few minutes for it to appear under recent pages. So if you want to go to loop pages, just go to loop.microsoft.com and search under recent, and you should see this page. Now these loop pages are searchable, of course. Now while we are here, you can style the page a little. You can give it an icon, a picture, modify the title if you like, and so on. So far, we are doing great. But remember, I'm creating training content, and dictation is not the only topic I'm going to cover. I will need many more topics to be created, and that means all these related pages I want to put in a single container. That's called a workspace. So click here, new workspace. Again, you can give it a title, icon, and picture. And now this dictation page is a part of that workspace. And more pages as and when I create, I'll put them here so that I'm putting all the content together. So to summarize, Copilot chat itself has not changed, but the output of the Copilot chat can now be added to pages, edited, and collaborated with your colleagues. And that makes it much more valuable. So try it out and let me know if you like it. If I miss something or if you have any questions, please post them. I'll be happy to help you. And if you like the way I'm explaining things and you find it relevant, do subscribe so that you can continue to learn and become more efficient. And last but not the least, share this with as many people as you can because everyone deserves to be more efficient. So that's it for now. See you next time. Thank you.